BizShort in seconds, say what matters. India's corporate bond market is showing signs of renewed vitality as rate cut expectations mount, analysts say. According to recent data, India's non-bank companies are planning to raise more than 12 trillion rupees in the current fiscal year, supported by favorable pricing and strong investor demand. The boom is being underpinned by softer interest rates and a perception that the Reserve Bank of India, RBI, may begin cutting policy rates soon, which has made fixed income investors more willing to commit capital. Fixed income specialist Vinay Pai of Equirus Capital noted that periods when the central bank signals a rate pivot often coincide with significant rises in corporate bond issuance. He said, the combination of an accommodative rate environment and strong investor demand is likely to make this another record year for the corporate bond market. The liquidity flowing into bonds is also helping some companies refinance expensive bank loans, reducing interest burdens. Despite the optimism, risks remain. Some issuers are rated lower than investment grade and rely heavily on refinancing. Any slowdown in growth or an unexpected spike in inflation could reverse sentiment. Moreover, with the government still facing external headwinds, such as US tariffs and a widening trade deficit, investors warn that a wider macro shock could unsettle credit flows. The RBI, while signaling easing, cautions that rate reduction must await clearer growth outcomes and inflation under control. For now, the bond market's expansion reflects growing confidence that India's fixed income ecosystem is deepening and maturing. Source: Reuters. Think business, think BizShort. Tap to subscribe.